This is my Jeep remake of a past video that had low views. It's been modified and speeded up. I do have my condenser. I have it prepped. I got it in place and just about ready to install. I'm going to do some checking though, confirm this goes in first before the radiator, and I've got you can't see them. Let's see, there you go. I've got the new studs in place. That's on the AC line side. Those new studs came with the condenser. Now on this side where the transmission line hooks up, I had to reuse this stud. For some reason they didn't put a new stud in there. Anyway, I'm glad I didn't. Almost threw all that stuff away, but I'm glad I didn't. Otherwise I'd had to order me that stud. Anyway, I've got it pretty much. I got it sitting down in there where it belongs, and then I had to do some cleanup because I had a spill and I moved that old radiator around here. I had just dumped transmission fluid everywhere, so I had to stop and do a cleanup. It almost slipped down several times. Anyway, that's a quick update. When all this dries out, I can get back out here. I'm going to try to do the same thing, prep my radiator and get it in place. I probably won't hook up the lines and stuff today, but I want to get it in place and get it ready and fit it up and see if I have any problems. Right now the condenser looks like everything's going to fit up just right. The hoses are falling into place where the transmission line and the low pressure line and the high pressure line are fit right up in place. So the next thing is to get the radiator in and check it out. Okay, update for now. Any progress, I'll get back with you. My Jeep out. Good evening, my Jeep update, and it's about coming up on 6 o'clock, 1800. Finishing up for today, and still Monday, February 7th. Okay, I got my condenser in and I got the lines connected, and you know, a little bit of a struggle to get these lines to line up and stuff, you know, because the old ones came out fairly easy. You just think that the new ones are going to go right back in real easy. Now they're, you know, yeah, different manufacturers, you know, they're not Chrysler, but they came out fine, you know. A little bit of wiggling and waggling, and what the rednecks say, jiggling, wiggling, and waggling, and I got it done, got it in place. But anyway, so the next thing on my agenda, and I got everything up here torqued down. I got my hoses in place, you know, ready to go on the radiator. And there's the new all aluminum radiator waiting, begging to be installed. Anyway, now the big test is going to be if everything works, because I've got a lot of stuff. Remember, new timing chain, harmonic balancer. I had some problems. I had to take the timing cover off several times because you know, one time I left the tensioner, the chain tensioner out. The next time the lower section of the oil pan gasket fell out, and I didn't realize it until I put everything back in place. The AC system, the whole new system, except, you know, still got an old evaporator and a heater core in there. That could be a failure, who knows. Might have to go in there one of these days. But when I start this thing up, hopefully there won't be no knocking noises and, you know, backfiring and stuff like that coming out of there. I followed step-by-step procedure. And anyway, we'll see. It's going to be interesting, fail or success. I will continue with either, whichever way it comes out. If it's a success, I'll go on to the next step. If it's a failure, I will do the rework. Anyway, that's my Jeep update for February 7th, Monday. And I'll be getting back on it tomorrow. Hopefully get that radiator in and hooked up. Lines connected and water hoses or coolant hoses. And also got the fan, shroud and fan to get in, and I've got that, yes, I've been talking about it for a long time, for months. That switch, I'm going to finally attempt to put a connector on there instead of having redneck wiring. Okay, anyway, that's my Jeep update, and I will, any progress tomorrow or failures, I will update you. That's my Jeep out for now. Good night. And good afternoon. It's about 12 o'clock, maybe 12:15, February 10th, 2022. Quick update, my Jeep. And the last couple of days, I really haven't taken any video, just done some minor detail work. I got my serpentine belt on, and let's see, I flushed out the heater core and what I could of the water jacket heater core, clean the inside of the coolant reservoir, and now I'm getting my radiator ready to install. I've already got the condenser in and lines are connected. But anyway, yeah, I'm taking some of the hardware off the old one. I'm glad I didn't throw it away, because most of the hardware did not come with the new stuff. So anyway, that's what I'm working on right now. Make any progress this afternoon, I'll give you an update. My Jeep out.